This is the Magic John Screen Protector Kit. It's a very easy application process. So this is what comes with the kit. So you get the installer box. I'm sure there's a technical term for it. Instructions, an installation kit. In this installation kit, you get a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, and a dust removal sticker in here. Also comes with this nifty little tool. This is the bubble scraper. So if you have a bubble in there, this tool is going to help get that bubble out. And it comes with 2 screen protectors. So if you just open this up, here is the screen protector we're going to be installing today. This is one of the privacy screens. So here you can see it's dark when it's at a tilt, and you can see through it when it's straight on. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the installation box and get started. This is the back side. So that's going to go up here. It just clips in to these little pegs here. Snap it in. You just have to push it onto those little pegs. Now we've got to get our phone prepared. Open up this installation kit. So here's the microfiber cloth. Here is the wet wipe and this dust removal sticker if needed. I'm going to go ahead and clean the front of my phone the best I can. Now this does have the dust remover, so it will remove any dust as well that falls in there in between me cleaning it, but I'm going to get off all of those fingerprints that I have on there from today. Now I'm going to place it in the installation box so it fits in there perfectly. You close the lid, snap it closed. You make sure all 4 clasps are nice and tight. Hold both sides of the top edge with one hand and pull this out. So now we're going to open up the lid. Now we do have a small bubble right here. So we are just going to wipe with this cloth. And we'll use this bubble remover just to slide that air out over on the side over here. There's that one big bubble there. We'll just make sure everything's good down here at the bottom. Now that we got all the bubbles out, we are going to peel off the protector, and that's it. So our phone now has the case on there. There's no bubbles, no dirt. It's nice and smooth on the surface here. It was super easy. I didn't have to worry about aligning it on the edges. It lined it up perfectly with this little installation box. There was one bubble here that I was able to easily smooth out using the tool provided. That's probably the easiest it's ever been for me to install a phone protector case. Now let's turn it on so we can look at the privacy screen. So there's the Apple. If I tilt it sideways, you can see it's gone at about a 45-degree angle. When I bring it back, we can see it. About 45-degree angle is when it's almost completely gone. So it's got a really good privacy screen, but you can still see the screen when you're looking at it head on.